So in this video, I'll show you how retail stores recommend products using AI Assistant on WhatsApp by giving you a live demo of this AI Assistant. Right now, I am on my WhatsApp and this number is already connected to the retail store AI Assistant through Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as soon as I send a message as I have a budget of 30,000, which smartphone has the best camera? Look at this, within a few seconds, the AI Assistant understands my budget and requirement and it recommends the most suitable smartphone with proper details. Now let's try another question. Which washing machine is best for a family of 4? Again, it understands exactly what I am looking for and recommends the right washing machine with a proper explanation. Now let's try something different. I need a birthday gift for my sister under 3,000. And once again, the AI Assistant gives me multiple product recommendations based on my budget. Now let's ask one final question. I want to build a gaming setup under 1 lakh. And see, instead of giving random answers, it recommends different products that fits my budget and requirement. You can clearly see how natural and human-like these responses are. It doesn't feel like you are talking to a bot. It's feel like you are chatting with a real sales executive. And the best part is this AI Assistant will work 24/7. Even if your store is closed, customers can still ask questions, get product recommendations, and receive instant replies without anyone from your team using their phone. This is the power of AI Assistant. Today, customers don't like waiting for replies. If someone sends a message and doesn't get a response quickly, there's a good chance they'll move to the another one. That's why instant replies have become so important. The faster you help your customer, the better their shopping experience becomes. And that's why many smart retail stores are now using AI assistants on WhatsApp. But before I'll show you how you can create an AI assistant for your own retail store, just take a look to the tool that makes everything possible, called Pabbly Chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow allows you to build powerful AI assistants on WhatsApp without writing a single line of code. Your AI assistant can understand customer questions, recommend product, answer FAQs, and even collect customer information automatically. And you know what is the best part? You can train the AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. Yes, you heard that right. You can create an AI assistant that is trained completely on your own business information. You decide what it should know, your products, pricing, offers, FAQs, and much more information related to your business. This means the AI assistant gives responses based on your business only, not a random information from the internet. As a result, your customers get accurate and business-specific answer every time they ask a question. It's like having your own AI sales executive that understands your business, talks to your customers, and works for you 24/7. If you also want to create an AI assistant like this for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Now, without wasting any more time, let's walk through the setup of this AI assistant. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow. For creating an AI assistant, you have to go inside this AI assistant feature. See, this is the AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. I have already created some AI assistant before. For creating a new one, you have to click on this option and give your assistant a descriptive creative name. After that, just click on this button. I have already created an AI assistant for retail store. So for that, I'm directly going in this one. See, you can create this AI assistant from scratch by giving the name, and once you give the name and click on the plus add AI assistant button, you will successfully come in this page. Here at first you have to select the instructions type. It will provide you multiple types of instructions. I have selected the AI agent. As soon as you can select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. Now next one is temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I have set the temperature as 0.5. Moving forward, you need to select the model provider that I have selected as OpenAI. Next, you need to select the AI model variant. It will provide you multiple types of AI model variant. You can select anyone according to your choice. Here I have selected the GPT-4o mini. Next, in this field, you have to paste the API key. So for getting this API key, go towards your OpenAI API keys page. Click on this plus create new secret key button. Give the name, it is an optional. Select the project from here, provide the permission and click on this create secret key button. This is how easily you can get your API key, and I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. You just have to copy this API key from here and paste it in this field. After that, click on this connect button. Next are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can customize it based on your requirements. If you want to add any header, footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this field. I am not adding. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can enter the word in this field. Stop keywords works like this. For example, here I have added one stop keyword as stop, and the user will send exact that keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that was sent to the customers if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. I have entered this fallback message. You can customize it based on your company or organization. Moving forward to the most important part of doing the setup of the AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, I have created an AI assistant specially for retail stores. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. See, inside it I have added the test business information, and this AI assistant is going to be used for retail store, electronics, home essential, fashion, beauty, etc. And the goal of the AI assistant is to help customers discover the right product based on their needs, preferences, budget and intended use while increasing sales through personalized recommendations, product comparison and cross-selling. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file. After that, upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one knowledge base file before. Now I'm moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. See, as soon as I make any change in this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to be visible in front of your user. I have entered the heading as Retail Hub, subheading as Get Personalized Product Recommendations and Today's Best Deals. Also the initial message like looking for the right product, share your need need or your budget, and I'll help you find the perfect match. I have edited these message content by my choice. You can customize it and use your own business name. If you want to disable the label that is powered by Pabbly, then you can disable it from here. Add footer text, footer link, and the user first message too. I have designed this by my choice. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant for retail stores that recommend product. Now the last one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle and click on the Save AI Assistant button, so that your assistant will become active and safe. So that's it. You have successfully learned how to create a WhatsApp AI assistant for retail stores that recommends products to customers. You can also access your AI assistant inside your websites by clicking on this option. It will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code and paste it inside your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be accessible in your website too. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing the setup, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I'm going to set the AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. Select the contact list from here to which you want to set your AI assistant and select the AI assistant from this drop down. After that, click on this save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved. So this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contact button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. So this is how easily you can create a AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow without any coding. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding the setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Not for the retail stores, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your any kind of businesses. It works for you 24/7, recommends product to your customers even when you are unavailable. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for your own retail stores too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.